Jake. Jake, calm down, please.
It's cake. I know. Just want to play with her toy. Plastic's almost together.
Put the candle on.
That is a full cake.
You're fine. You're fine. Don't worry about it.
And then she'll cut open. And then
I figured if she's probably getting dishes and pots and pans
happy birthday,
and
dear Jake.
like that. This would go along. Can you blow your candle
All
out?
right, good
Oh,
job.
I want a strawberry. Can I have a strawberry?
Nope.
Or tomorrow. See a strawberry. Oh, pull it off. I want to eat it.
We got it.
Oh, thank you.
Let's put strawberry on. Here.
Ooh, what about some jelly beans? Oh, thank you. Those are good jelly beans. Do you want to eat penguin chocolate? What else is there? Oh, we threw away the ones we made. Those are ceramic.
Oh, okay.
Those real impressive ones over there? Yeah.
Good.